Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little everything Jamaican. I'm Michelle and with me is my husband Marzell, and so this morning we're heading to Nevie. So we would have started the journey already, so we did, a good walk at the journey already. Well, there was a lot of music when we were coming in, so we decided to just walk a little bit first and then we start recording. Alright, so trust that everyone is doing well, and I want to say big up to all our supporters, all our subscribers, everyone who continues to support us one way or the other. Much love and blessings to you.
Good morning, guys. Good morning.
Yes, so please remember to like, share and to subscribe to the channel, so once we post a new video you will be updated. Alright, so we're heading to Nevie early this morning.
Yes, I did. Yes, we are going.
Yes. We'll hold back that part. All right.
Yeah, hold back now.
Yeah. I could just say, so it's a Saturday morning, as you know. Nevie normally go to church this morning. However, it's so difficult to come during the week because in the week we're up and about, and then sometimes by the time we're to get to him the sun is really hot. By the time we're to walk up and to get back to complete our daily task, it's really difficult. So the weekend are more ideal. So we know he goes to church today, so we're going really early, and I know that we left something.
What?
Alright, so we're heading to Nevie and we're bringing him some grocery items because we know, based on the last time we went to see him, we know by now he would have run out of grocery items. So we're taking him some grocery items this morning, things that he needs, and also his eye drops he'll get during the course of the day. We'll ensure that he gets it. And also want to big up our special friend out of Christiana, Manchester, who always ensure that Nevie get some funds in his pocket. So much love and blessing to you. Thank you so much. May God continue to bless you richly as you continue to give to the work that we do and to those that we serve. All right. Whew. So we can say we almost reach. Almost. Right, Marzell.
My answer, Annie.
Okay. And we have water boots on this morning.
Yeah.
Because Holy Parade yesterday. Holy Parade.
You have water in there?
In the boat? No.
Yeah, they call it water boot.
Wow. Boots to wear in water.
Oh.
Our water time.
See if we breadfruit tree have no breadfruit this morning.
Why? Breadfruit supposed to out of season now, Marzell. Some places. The tree empty, man.
Empty, so leave it on it.
Let the tree be. Wow, so I don't think Nevie would already so early because it's 7:59.
Nevie not got church in this month this morning.
Yeah, probably not. But we come early nonetheless, so if he's going, we won't impede on him in any way. He can still go. But the road really muddy. They're difficult for him to get by, but it's a road I'm used to, so I'm probably would be able to navigate and get by.
Mud.
Enough mud.
Mud.
Prepare for it this morning, like bring it on.
Bring on the mud.
Bring on the mud. When you have all the sneakers and going through the bushes, you can feel like the literal water in the sneakers sometimes. They want this morning at all. Yeah, mangoes. 2 mangoes.
What you see? Eh?
And a little one.
I see one whole bunch.
Where?
Right there, so.
Oh yeah.
You see it?
I don't know if it's the same bunch, but we see one bunch.
That's never really up there.
One I forgot to say, Marzell walked with him share this morning in case Nevie need to be trimmed. It was a long time ago that we trimmed him.
Almost 1 year.
But him did actually say, oh, we're not going to need to trim until about August. But I think he did get a trim or shave or something like that.
Really get a shave.
Somewhere. So walk with the shear just in case. Wow. And we reach, thank God.
We almost reach.
Yeah, we're there. Oh.
Yes.
Look at that bird right here, Marcel. Him's just a cool out.
Cool like cucumber.
Yep. So nice. Nice country feeling. Disturbing meds.
Tell us how much never ready to play.
Yep.
Alright.
Yes, ma'am.
What's up?
Oh, not much, ma'am.
Oh,
Not much.
you're not going to church today?
Me, I find the whole week me sick. I have to go some alcohol and some coffee and some me say me buy some get it to rum and I have to go put in it. For the whole week me have fever.
Oh no.
Yes, ma'am.
So you never send a make we know?
No, nobody will say it.
So who knows say you're sick apart from, you know?
Tell Sister Yola. I sent some cold medicine to come give me last night, but at that time, me get through with the cold. For cold is that to me, I want to stay on me.
Yeah.
So when you send the cold medicine, now I get through with the cold enough, I start cough again. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so who did come clean up for you?
Wow, child come out and say, "Water money, you know."
Oh. So she want her money for clean up. So you call her? Or
Yes,
she come?
She them in dirt, and so.
So you call her and ask her to wash them for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so she just tidy up in here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I tell you, say, the meat kind, the meat boil for me now, no fridge to put it in. So I tell you, say, give me meat, whether you give me glass, miss baby money, or give me bite. Bite for it a boil for me now, no fridge.
But I need that plenty you get.
Yes, ma'am.
But you never said they have somebody could have put up a few.
Yeah.
Yeah, but he said that if the fridge full up.
Oh.
I would have said if the fridge broke down and Peter not there.
Oh. So why you never send it down by Vassal?
That I have when the man at the yard must be yard, but they never the guard for 6 o'clock, you know.
Oh no.
So 6.
Well, we carry some meat for you this morning, but we don't carry too plenty where you got spoiled.
Yes,
just one cook.
Yes, I just want to cook with you, yeah. But tell me, I've made me get if you cook all tonight and want to put down to tomorrow morning, you know.
We can ice to some, maybe you can put ice pan in.
Yes.
I think you make your sugar and water.
You couldn't get no more that thing I mean, like it, you know. When you put the sugar in, you say mix.
That's how working.
The sit here. You mix it same way. This.
Oh.
Yes, man. I mix it said way.
Okay, you like that?
Yes, well, me not put no sugar or nothing in it.
And we're not sure if we have any more, but we can check.
Yes, man.
And it's supposed to last you long too. Because
Yes,
it's
man.
a lot.
It lasts long. You bit of the syrup.
Yeah. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
So they run out of food and stuff,
No,
right?
we know that food was salting.
Oh, yeah, food. Okay, good.
For the rice, you know, on the floor. Sometimes
Okay.
I like change it, no?
Oh, so you don't want to rest on no flour this morning. You have oats?
No more.
So, okay. Alright, that's Nevie. Oopsie.
And when me have a cold, me can't eat rice, you know.
So you eat.
You cough. I flour me have to cook last night.
What you cook?
Flour.
Flour. Oh. So you don't have no yam?
No, it me say me couldn't get some yam or something. And you see them yam, mama? Me I tell you the truth, them yam you see them call the round leaf. It's not a good yam for you eat.
Oh.
It has too much starch.
Okay, okay.
If a black fish now, it's a different yam, but you see the round leaf, yeah? It starch and have overflow in them, you know, and then fertilizer it again high.
Yes.
Nevie, you don't have no whole heap of food in that pan, man.
No, it's something I know, Papa, so me run out.
We add to it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Flour, we bring flour.
Glad you come still remember for me. I say, boy, I should have been a minute to look for you.
Yeah. Well,
Give you me.
We try to come so early too because
and today, cause you know.
church day.
You remember I'm a good man, me not tell you no lie, brother. You're a good man to me,
Hey,
man.
woman, good to you too.
Oh, God, not about she, we can't talk about she.
You want a banana here?
Yeah.
So you can
Yes,
cook it
man,
with
it's
your
soup.
salt thing.
Yes, I don't think you know, sir. You see the beef flour?
Yeah.
I know good in on the rice, you know?
I'll show you in this.
Yes, I know good to cook soup, man.
We get that from Ryan, so
Yes.
we are share it
Yes,
with
sir.
everybody.
Yes, sir. Yeah, man, I still remember me, man. And I wait, you know, in October, you know, man.
You have oats, you have sugar.
Yes, and you don't say sugar, I run out.
You run out of sugar?
Yes, I see last never, see it in the can, you know.
Yeah.
So you have more flour
Aye.
and rice.
Yeah,
And you have tin food. A 2-pack of oats you have in there.
yes, sir.
So
Good man, I remember me still, man.
I have
Remember me, man.
mackerel and sardine and your lasco.
Yes.
All of them little stuff there. This I meat, so you can cook it for your dinner.
Yes, man, this one can cook, man.
Yeah.
One more this
I
up.
see ice, yeah?
Yes. Good, sir.
Yeah.
When tell me had the whole fight, you know. It's well.
Yeah. You don't want too much one time.
No.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. So you don't know what happened?
Yeah. What happened now?
You remember I just went there? Rasta.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They kill him, you know.
What?
They live at one place where mother them and him mama dead out, so I left land give all of them house and then he build up in land house there and everybody them.
That a Rasta Bibo?
Rasta been there so we help.
The one I was singing?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Kill him and the man come out Thursday though.
Lord have
So
mercy.
that's boy I miss me the next week. I say boy I'm a put away for some time I do it. But I ain't wrong. The youth me say have him cow. I have for him cow. 1 hour 15 years boy, you know. And he go move the youth cow now and let him go. And I match it at time. So youth lick him down go with us with sin. And when I get to work, he finish kill him.
Jesus have mercy.
Rasta Bibo?
That's so sad.
The gosh, me say, man. And everyone had them one things, you know, sir. The mother dead out there, so now there's a mother buried in daddy, and the mother give everyone of them their own land. And they, all of them had their house, and they see that person go, for them say they go to the station. The man sister they go to the station, but they can't agree.
So how do you get that in the news?
He come over, man. He come over, me hear it. He come over, I hear him. Come over.
Wow, so sad.
And he walk down, you know. I go back home down here. And he have cow too, you know. And he remember to me saying by one van where they make drive look more about him to repair pan.
So who tell us him? Oh, you know.
What is it?
No man did say.
Remember say man come as well. I say man come here and tell
me. Saw him come back out tell us say kill him.
The minute is me when you. What is it?
No, that's Nevie.
Oh boy.
If you couldn't believe, man, I would meet you. You say, who you go to you? So you
hear from somebody else? I'll just leave you.
Just go and tell me. Yes, he said even he wouldn't believe either. A Sunday they kill him. We Sunday. By Kobe, they tell Thursday and kill me Sunday. And I tell me say kill. Every day they kill Rastaman. I said no sir. If Rastaman dead, I said dead. No sir, no Rastaman. When they have to Thursday, you must tell me say they kill him. I never believe him either.
Nevie, we did check Bonnie if you come painting house, you know. But me no know.
Remember say the Lombardy man look he don't cancel him out this one yesterday.
Oh, so
me that cancel say see me a one sheet apply down there. And he was going to take off and put your iPhone this over you.
You wanted to change?
Yeah.
Oh, so it would make sense to go paint that part.
I make painting also. Why don't you know this so bad in the way?
Did that door?
Yes. For me ask her to come spray for me for and but instead of want a small too so. We spray for upon down.
Small to spray the documents?
Yes, ma'am. Me have all the well in spray me have to give him money. Every time in spray me give $500.
Oh.
Next time I come up here I'll go spray.
Yeah.
You have a thick wash? Or have to carry it?
You can carry some for me or some.
So we'll have to go find the mess.
Yes, me know but
hey.
I don't have going in yesterday no. Yes.
Can they make trail?
Yes. I did not hit man, I hit children. If you go down to go see in this, and me tell Miss Baby no, and tell me say I go kill out it. For me, go down man, I go do some work with my, and me see in this, and me say Jesus, why is it my come from? People see in this, and every man go tree. Ah, that the man they walk down there and dead.
So they're not burning. They can't light, you know.
They know that I light that I go light.
Man, it's terrible.
But we can't go down there go light fire.
No sir.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, he could have do it still if you tell him. Say how we don't cancel. I tell him already. And tell me say I will get man pick it out.
Somebody have to watch it because remember say don't cancel this and I said no we burn out one time and I just today.
I want dangerous thing, you know.
Yeah.
The cancel one of the dangerous things like we ever have.
They walk underground miles.
For they walk like somebody, you know, they follow you chuck. I'll find it.
No bite your door.
There's something in Jack you have a tap up there, so.
They want to spray.
You have to go. Get rid of them.
So, Mas Nevie,
Well,
remember the lady who normally I give you something and I tell her it's from her in Christiana?
yes, ma'am.
So she sent something for you this morning here?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright.
Oh, for me, want a small pay girl. I can't do it myself. So sometimes I have to get somebody to help me. Then I tell maybe for they know who it done, but you know, you have to encourage labor.
Yeah. And also yesterday, the eye drops.
Yes,
you know, we left here again.
Oh God.
But we are gonna send it up today. We are send it up with Bonnie. We are gonna call him and make him pick it up and bring it up here.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah. I left him up here now too, you know.
Him not live up here again?
I don't plan to live out up here. I don't know if Bonnie live, you know.
Oh, I thought he was up here. That's why I said we'd call him and make him bring
No,
it.
up here live up here if I can only care.
Can't get roadman figure.
Yes. Yeah, man. I can't live out you can't live in Giola.
Remember, say she not gonna shop till Monday.
Yes, you know that. They don't make it until Monday.
Man, if we can get somebody to send it up with, we do that.
Yeah.
Yeah, come in where you need it.
Oh God, man. You say we need it more.
What you need here till if we wait till Monday?
We need more food.
Also, kabaki food and stuff like that.
You know, I don't want everything they do. Oh God, we have to pray to God for me. She said, me can't do something. She said, how them are going? Then put me couldn't see. Me that dead. And my sister, they want to help me. For me, why did I help me still? And I tell you, what a hard family one in a lot.
If you're dead?
No, when time for help me, look about me. Yes.
Oh, yeah.
I don't want to feel by Manchester, no one. Me have a soup there, me have land up there with me band, you know.
So, but then have to wait till when you can't move around for help, but they help you now.
Yeah, you so help me both. Tell me say she know your wife too.
Okay.
And she tell me say she been go call and talk to him about the plyboard here so out the door. But she
tell me about the plyboard for door.
He mean I go save him by one sheet. I have to take them far by top too. Yeah. I've already know about it.
So they have to go get somebody to do that?
Yes, I've already know about through sometime out there. They build up my house out there now, so something gone back. So I know if he gone back there now. When me come up already.
They can't turn you for long again?
No, they can't turn you for long. And me up my house and I watch it. So, he meet promise. But as I promising you help me still for. Me not give no bad name, answer.
You pick it so what's up?
Me.
It pick? Or you don't know?
Me no know. You know how it's what's up with that pick now? Uncle the Rasta body brother, you know when you come with that pick.
Alright, make we see if you pick.
Yeah.
We are do, yeah, look.
Yeah, look if you do that.
Yes, sir.
No, no.
Me no know.
Probably drop off from a long time.
You see the funny chair leaf.
It gone. Somebody pick it.
I told you today now.
I know. Must never can forget any of these things because by the time you look, them gone. Wow. Must never it gone. Somebody
Yes,
pick it already.
Ma'am?
Somebody picked it already. It's two of them did it the last time.
Let me tell you something, sister. They come here all get up. You never come back when they get up sweet.
Yeah.
And they come here every minute. Every I look at pick, they go pick itself. You so sweet, you know. I bought pick a whole heap of money. Could I pick some mango here?
Yeah. So you go. Yeah. So alright, otherwise though.
Yes, so you know, tell me some more while ago say lady sent something to me.
Let me tell you.
No, you think I go? Say you're alright.
You so get him as Nevie.
You're not very close, that means we're not left yet.
Yes, you see, I whole little things, you know, last you see me put on so happy. Get this in there. Get in here.
Oh.
Fever and in the far. How me have a fever, boy? I couldn't eat. I go things say and the coffee done and you know say this moment I look for the last I hit and the done. I go things me have it we mix, we drink.
Oh, okay, so you feel better today?
Yes, man, I feel much better, man.
Okay, good.
Feel much better. But me take this in the alcohol and rope myself. With the man, I have to get up from 5 o'clock. I go to do I put myself so pull the bath pan of water there. I cool water. I sap me back and sap. I feel better, you know.
And that's how you have to do it, though, you know.
Eh.
If you catch your water, put it in a bath and leave it out in a dew.
But remember, say in a juice, in a drum out there, so I drum open.
But it a drop off a zinc going in a drum.
Oh, you don't have to touch anything.
Put it in a open.
How will I say, Master?
You never know that.
Boy, you live, boy, you learn how to go along with there. Go along with their power. But me hear you see people set the water overnight.
Outside.
But me never know what. I said, I like how you know, you want a cola.
You don't get heal still.
Yes. Alright, sir.
So Mass Nevie with it plan for you a trim, but like how you know feel well.
No,
maybe.
no, see there? No, I don't trim it.
No, you don't want to trim it?
No.
Well, no, here no there, that part where you touch.
Yeah, so.
The part they shine already, man.
See, you carry the same thing?
Yeah.
Therefore, you carry not trim the same way? We are going to carry back and...
No, if you have cold, we'll make it get better.
Yeah.
Yes, well, I chew, and you talk sensible, so. Chew, man. I'm afraid I call you, no, man. It make you... Me say all of them parties, so, man. Come around, so. Be a pain.
Yeah, man.
Be a pain like somebody beat you.
And you come like somebody beat you.
Yes, sir.
You feel the pain.
Yeah, you know, somebody say, somebody beat me. Somebody beat me, man. I want that. You see, I want that machete, you know, good machete can be one.
Yeah, good machete.
You see, I have to build up a yard, man. I can't keep a yard, so. Yard, 1 billion, no. I told you October, I don't like
You can't cut, but you have to wait till the rain.
Yeah, when it dry up.
Yeah. I mean, like, na grassy basket of them, you know? Yeah, man. Well,
Alright, Mas Nevie.
yes, man. Glad you remember my sister.
Yes, man, always.
All the while, man. Me can't
You got to remember your sister?
You did my sister too. I am my brother too. I try we make the difference.
Yeah.
God put all away for if you went take what God say. All the way that live happy and good. He said if children over here in the hilly land.
Yeah.
But two children so stubborn. The land can't heal.
That's true.
But if you take a gas here for the thing, come on. You know, say first time people never live so, sir. Take all for your father, them. They never live so, no?
That's true, man.
No, the God, they live loving like, man, when tell me a little boy, I say, man, are you going, look how you going big. You're not preferred. Man, go give you day for day, man, in heat. And work up now 1 day. No, if you have hundreds of thousands.
That way to it?
You never have grown.
Yeah. In not 2 minutes.
Never have
Company.
So,
Alright, Mas Nevie.
yes, ma'am.
We are going to leave now.
Yes, ma'am.
So, glad we come and see you.
Yes,
Sorry if you don't say you're
Yes,
sick,
ma'am.
but you know we're happy. You're feeling much better.
I'm glad I don't know if I'm in the ball of food.
Yeah, we know.
But never look if I'm in say through the time so bad and I know you know this so.
Yeah.
I still that this so.
Yes.
Bad man. You come up so you have a good sister.
Yeah.
Have you give you courage, brother.
Yeah.
People come and ball how you would stay.
The chicken come back.
Nah, left ya.
Watch it. Camera shy chicken. Turn.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so just want to say thank you, for tuning in, and thanks to everybody who continue to watch and to support the work that we do. Until next time, thank you so much for making it Likkle Everyting Jamaican. Blessed
God,
love.
God
Stay
bless
safe.
you too.
And bye bye.
Bless you, man. God
Yes,
bless.
Mas Nevie, thank you.